Today is all about packing. See, customer order Yee Sang. Why I'm using this phone to record the video? There's some message coming in. I have order. No, I have not. I have inquiry. Let me go and check. I have just finished packing the peanut and the sesame seed. So now the next thing I'm going to do is, let me show you this beautiful colorful traffic light. Look, we have very colorful in my Yee Sang plate, all this vibrant colorful color. That one is a red ginger, yellow pineapple, and the kiwi. These are the dry kiwi, but they are from a different batch, so I don't mix them together, so I pack them in separate. They are all the same quality, all are very nice. Actually, right, this one is very nice, not too sweet. Hey, I thought I got it. No, the thing didn't pick for me. Sour sweet and very chewy, so mixed together with the Yee Sang, chef's kiss. Packing tools. This is the Yee Sang heart and soul, how every single vegetable and fruits that go inside the small individual pack. Without this, I cannot sell Yee Sang. Definitely. Anybody find something like this anywhere? Please, I'm searching the whole Malaysia. I cannot find. I have only one here. If anytime this thing break, Somjit cannot sell Yee Sang already. This is my super tool to force all the vegetable and fruit to go inside the individual pack. And then this is the cup. I also have weighing machine. You know, why every year I have the same size, and then every year you receive the same gram of the fruit and the vegetable. This one. This is the master. How many gram of Yee Sang sauce I put in the box, and how many grams of vegetable I put in the box. I have the list. Let me show you the list. Here. So cannot miss. Nothing can miss. Everything written down by gram. So Somjit will pack by gram, and Somjit will do it by gram. All this recipe, it's come from here, from the heart. Okay. Sorry, so sorry, play the fool. But anyway, just joking. Let's start. Okay, this is one more thing that is very important. This one. Oh, look at the mess. This machine, a sealer. Okay. And that one is sealer and vacuum. This one will take very long to seal, and this one will take faster to seal. So I will use this one for just seal, non vacuum. It's very fast. This is pretty cheap. This is quite cheap. I bought how much I can't remember. Okay, all this, and then we have this. Tong. Okay, all these ingredients waiting to be packed. Okay, I have to end this one by saying, don't forget to come and support us. do check out for homemade Yee Sang